guys, so it is currently 11:58 in the morning and we watch. Oh my god. You didn't even want to say anything. Oh my god, I just stepped on a little bear, you guys. But anyways, we are currently going off to buy myself some credit and then buy, I think my dad was talking about apamalingi. So we're off. But someone just waved at us. Oh, Ramses. I knew the car was familiar.
Mau markama kakowo na ila kakowo nga makakapakaw may siapa ay leong kakoyo
My uncle came all the way to Guangai with us, so yeah, we're going back.
Samoa ina ia pule e matai aua olo na sua faua vaerua ia tauna na fua le tetea ai mani no lava ole mata ole vai ole a ano moni
ya desile mang ia fono mas kai deri
I am.
It's
just people, I guess.
No, mako lang. Na fa kali mai funa long mako yu kal man par mako ko wa.
ya ko fa ko kakao ya ini pak yo pangim silam niya wala ya ko long fona eh tangan na dia do mako eh sa dai mình phải kích thì nó thao quân mình xí ở rồi đây là kịp phật cái lên cái là cái hàng lên
Ele se me fa kopi kinai e kopo.
Wa me fa kopi se
Ai
ba.
ele wala o manga fele kala no mako ki. Apenas se ko.
Ya que sa wang ya kana ngoi me ko sa masa.
Ya mo wiele ni mara.
Kung isa niya.
Ake kai kele a uso. Kai kele la vai a uso kai a tia lupe. Tamai.
Ya mara. Ya.
O te mana tuaina si o u ainga ile a matanga sayai ile matitiva si o ta mama na mata ma si o utina ile kuka ma si o sayai patu na fola ai atu la uma fatali le faiva ma utau
Kapag sa niya palagi. Kaya ba?
Paco, car Ramses. Pa.
Patong niya.
Mami afai asio ainga. Ele alo faleo na mativa iletino aesama olama yake riso fafitai ile luanga luenga lesa lufa umato Wafaita ito alua a esusu elava le fama lama ato ete pa itiwa ile fainga ta ole olama nata wasama yena ipatua ele kalulu wangalu wenda wabanuia ipatua.
Hi guys, we're now making our way over to Afua'au, that which is in Vailo Palauli, to have a little swim because it's very hot. So yeah, come with us. So we're here at a bus stop to get me some more data, just because I am editing vlogs here in Samoa and I need internet. So let's go. Hello. I'm Famole Mole Ape, so plan Digicel. Phải là có telephone. Famole Mole. Oh, thank you very much. Ain't go white. Oh, I want aloe. Oh, this one. Grab that as ginger beer. Okay, I'm going back now, guys. Ikaw ka nag-giro. Stupid losers. Who's got to consult the garlic?
Oh yeah, okay. Sa ano ma? Sa ada susah.
Okay guys, so it looks like we have changed plans. We want to drive around City Whites here to capture the beautiful view there. Apparently we are not allowed to swim on Sundays.
This choice I made didn't work out the way I thought it would. This choice I made, it hurts me so, mama. This choice I made didn't work out the way I thought it would. This choice of mine, Mama said to me, it's not easy to understand it, son, but I hope you'll make it. You'll be happy again. It's not easy to understand it, son, but I hope you'll make it. You'll be happy again. I remember in church when the preacher man read the scriptures. You look so beautiful and so innocent. I did not know that behind that beauty lies the true colors.
So hot, guys. So looks like we might be going for a dive here in the village. Hi. Okay, we have been being called palangis like since we got here in Samoa. Whaingoa ka ko palalang. This looks deep. Guys, this looks deep.
Now remember, there's a deep side and a...
Oh yes. Are you actually gonna jump? Oh hell no. My sister's confident that she can actually reach.
Yo, I can, trust guys.
Bro,
I'm
actually scared.
5'9". Come on now, I can reach it.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Ah, man, I'm actually scared.
Oh, yeah.
Is it deep?
Oh, shoot.
Is it deep?
No.
It's not?
No.
Gee, no, I'm actually scared. Obviously, what do you expect? No fishes. Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm gonna go down.
Come down now. Watch out, it's slippery.
Gee, I'm actually scared, bro.
You can reach it.
I can.
But it will be like kind of...
I look like an idiot. There's a fish!
I
It's a big
said
one.
that, I said that.
I didn't know they were that big.
They're humongous.
Oh my gosh.
See, you can reach it. It's nice.
Gee, I'm actually nervous.
See guys, we're fine. She finally made it in. This is nice.
I'm actually scared.
This is nice. Wait,
Gee, watch out, bro.
this I'm standing.
You're standing?
Yo, you and me. She and me.
Where's the fish?
And it's like slippery. Nice, I love this. Yeah.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning.
So we are still here, and my plans were not to wet my hair, but I don't know. I think I just needed to wet my hair because it was super hot. So yeah, I actually swam because I can swim. So this is like a pool area, and then the actual sea.
Singing, don't worry about a thing. Gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds, it's by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, it's
Okay guys, my sister's trying to learn how to swim and one of our friends are teaching her. Yeah, come here. See what I put there. Like how far you can come with standing. Standing? Yeah. Like stand? Like walk over and see how. Yeah, we're literally almost there, bro. Swim there, because you can't reach it. Yeah. See, went lying. Oh shoot!
Storms never last, do they, baby? Bad times all pass with the wind. Your hand in mine steals the thunder.
Hi guys, we stopped by our uncle's house to say hi, and he gave us chips. Thank you, Uncle and Auntie. Yeah. Hi, Uncle.
Baby, I picked wildflowers and sung me a soft, sad song. And every road we took, Lord knows our search was for the truth. And the clouds brewing now won't be the last.
And now we are at another stop, looking for Alpha E. Yes.
Your hand in mine steals the thunder. Your love makes the sun wanna shine.
Okay guys, as you guys can see, it has gone so dark. So we're just stopping around houses trying to ask them if they had Alpha E samoas for us to take, but we failed, so nobody had anything for us. So I'm pretty sure we're making our way home now. So yeah, that was unsuccessful.
First let me seduce